Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. That's a great tool. That is the weeding and digging spat. It's used for digging with and on the flat like that for weeding like a hoe. We dug out a decent sized planting hole for this plant. It's one of my favourite plants. It's called SILENE Rollies Favourite. Now SILENE Rollies Favourite starts to flower now and will still have a few flowers in the autumn time. Really tough, hardy, old-fashioned perennial that's well worth finding a spot for. That's SILENE Rollies Favourite. Lovely pink. Dug out a decent sized planting hole for it here. What I like about it, it'll develop a decent clump. You can lift it after a couple of years and split it up, and you have more plants to spread through your garden. And it'll drop seeds, and you have little ones coming up in different corners that are used for. Now, took out a decent sized planting hole for it. A little bit of super thrive going in at the bottom. A little bit of swell compost as well. No excuses for SILENE Rollies Favourite. It's a fantastic plant and very forgiving plant. It grows in any sort of reasonable soil. It's not fussy. Once it's not waterlogged, it's quite happy. So out it comes out of his pot now. Roots might be a little bit tight, but just give them a little teasing out. Set it in, just plant the same level as the surrounding soil, and a mixture of compost and well composted soil. They are mixed back in around it, and it'll be here for years and years to come. So that SILENE Rollies Favourite, well worth finding a spot for it. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.